Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet. This is a true 138 Chevelle Super Sport. Killer, sorry, got the flag here. Killer car, guys. Bought this car from a father and son. I actually bought a Camaro from them, oh gosh, it's been about 4 or 5 years ago. Good guys. They got nice stuff. The car's out of West Virginia. It's finished in Tuxedo black. It's got the factory black vinyl interior in it. This is not the original color. It was factory black interior. But man, super nice car. It was a frame up restoration 2 years ago, and I'll tell you, when you get underneath it, they've actually changed a lot of the frame mounts. It's got some new frame bushings, but some of them aren't. Some are actually the original one, so it wasn't a full frame off. But that was done 2 years ago. But just 3 months ago, they completely had to go through the engine. I guess they had a problem with the engine, so the engine has really, he said, just a couple hundred miles on it. Slick paint, good solid body. I believe it's got all the original body panels on it. Not a whole lot to really nitpick, guys. Again, original 138 Super Sport car. Really nice, man, and this thing gets it. I probably put 7-8 miles on the car, and it's nice, really nice car. You can see the chrome, the stainless is nice. It's got real slick Tuxedo black paint. There's a little touch-up mark there. Glass is nice. Like I say, the paint on the car is pretty. Sorry about the pollen, man. It's just, it's actually cold today, but man, it's just getting that time of year. Yeah, that's a pretty car. Really good looking car. And these 67s are as hot as I think they've ever been. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. I believe those are 15x8 Chevrolet Rallies. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the disc brake flat caps. That's a good straight car right there. You can see the Southern Motors sign in the background. I mean, pretty car. I saw a little rub mark right there, and you know, there's a couple little ones to pick, but that's about it. Front disc brakes. This is a factory 4-speed. We added the red pinstripe. If you don't like that, it's tape. It'll come right off. This is a 70 date-coded 396 engine. It's not the matching numbers engine, although the car did come with a 396. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel. It's got a Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum intake. It's got a comp mild cam, nothing crazy. He said it does have roller rockers with dome pistons. They studded the heads. You know, so it runs on pump gas. Nothing crazy, but it does scoot. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It's a factory Muncie 4-speed car. Again, sorry about the pollen and dust, man. It's just, it's the way it is out here right now. You can see how the inner fenders are all powder coated nice. That's a good looking car. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Stainless around the windows is nice. Pretty car. And you see the A-pillar chrome is really nice. It's got the bow tie mirrors. That stuff's all new. New door rubbers. Again, sorry about the pollen, guys. It's just that time of year. New door pads, new carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console, real nice sport steering wheel. Headliner's nice. Factory dash engages 97,716. That is supposed to be the actual miles on the car. Just got a little split in your dash pad there. It's an Audiosounds AM/FM radio. I think that's the only thing I didn't turn. I know the blower motor works. It's got a Hurst Competition shifter. I don't know if I ever actually turned the radio on. 2.5-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12-bolt 331 rear end. I think that's stock too. Like I said, I believe, well, it's still got your little quarter numbers on it, so I believe it's got all the original body panels still on it. All spackle coated in the trunk. That's actually your original jack instructions and your limited slip rear end tag. Pretty car. Car really goes down the down the road nice. It's clean underneath. Sorry about the pollen. It was terrible when I was down south. Oh my gosh, it was rough. Recovered the seats, repadded, refoamed them. The radio instructions are in the glove box. You can see the gauges are nice and clean. I love that steering wheel, really nice. Again, blower motor works. That A-pillar chrome is really nice. Car runs outstanding. Fuel gauge works. If their gauges up there are even, are they on, Jordy? No. I don't think they've got those hooked up, guys. Parking brake works. Oh, we got one backup light out. I'll have the guy. Car hits, man. I'll have the guys check that bulb. I bet you we just turn, I'll bet you it'll come on because I remember those working. Radio works. Like I say, blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Ah, there you go. So the wipers work. That's a nice car right there, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Boy, that car is killer right there, man.